Today, the Internet is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, in the event that the information source isn't certifiable or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a disaster. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower $0.010. Until January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. Notwithstanding, the presentation of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of $0.0340 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ/USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of March, the cost of Chiliz reflected huge development, and it denoted another untouched high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the token confronted slight revision, yet later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost checked enormous assembly and contacted $0.758. However later, it rectified down to 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again stirred things up around town mark, yet later, it confronted sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it stemmed huge recuperation and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting 50 cents, according to Negative Signs, Chiliz has checked persistent negative pattern and right now, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ estimate referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, opposition level, greatest cost, and different markers. We demand you really do claim research proposing projected greatest cost, hypothesized value changes and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz figure. Specialists say on Chiliz, CHZ, coin cost expectation uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful figure predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year. Continuously, and the normal greatest cost might be around 73 cents, which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. In January 2022 the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chiliz cost expectation 2022, Chiliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the forthcoming few years between $0.34 and $0.5. A drawn-out increment is normal investigation in Chiliz gauge. The CHZ cost expectation for 2027 is $1.485. With a 5-year venture in view of the ongoing value, the income is supposed to be around plus 638.81% in 5 years. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured for the long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a component of dependability implanted in this money. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Beating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of opposition level R1, R2, and R3 are $0.199, $0.2027, and $0.2092, individually. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz estimate, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845, and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a circling supply of 5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. CHZ price prediction proposes that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, likely in the following 5 years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz, CHZ, cost estimated by CHZ cost expectation has not soared on the trade ascending to magnificence, one unmistakable reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz, CHZ, is setting down deep roots, increment, fill in the market and full sprout according to beneath Chiliz cost forecasts Chiliz price prediction 2022. CHZ gauge predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay consistently. Chiliz digital money can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost expectation 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz, CHZ, cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to CHZ cost estimate. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling point of the greatest cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the cryptographic money market, Chiliz cost expectation, 2022, expects the CHZ cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin price prediction uncovers Chiliz, CHZ, will most likely be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time, at any rate. Momentary counter developments or even rectifications in the coin are by the by anticipated. Chiliz could draw in much more consideration before long. The Chiliz, CHZ, cost will absolutely not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz price prediction 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHZ with instituting gain a lot greater cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost gauge with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized investigation done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unstable with high gamble included. Chiliz, CHZ, is entering an exceptionally serious and savage space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded forecast stage, an obvious cost flood in CHZ